Hi, this is a very new backpack from Ulanzi that doesn't really have much coverage right now, so I decided to do a little review. So first I can start by saying why I got this backpack. I used to have a big design everyday backpack version 2, 20 liter, but one thing that I didn't like about the backpack, it was very difficult to put the Mac and the iPad together on the back pocket, especially when there was a lot of content already on the backpack itself. And also rearranging the dividers was not that easy because you can just open the backpack from the side. That made it difficult to have a good usage of space because of that. I was doing my research and then I was evaluating a bunch of other alternatives to this backpack that I can put on the screen. After that research, I was like, okay, I think the Ulanzi backpack felt the best fit for me of what I wanted. This was very recently released, and then I got my hands to one through AliExpress because the Ulanzi website didn't want to ship to my location in Norway. The backpack, this is a 23 to 27 liter. It's a bit heavy on its own. Let's see. The backpack alone is about 2 kilos and 400 grams. One thing that is very nice is this lock in the top that is just magnetic, so it's very easy to put it on and off. Then we get the main compartment, so I can open the two sides and then open the backpack from the top. In here there's all the dividers that came with the backpack itself, so you can organize that later. The backpack has a bunch of transparent pockets in the top. There's also a pocket here, some space for Velcro stickers. Has a solid pocket in the front too, with some small spaces. There's a hidden pocket here where it's there's a AirTag tracker, so it works with Find My, so it was good. Then here other the side pocket that contains some flexible pockets too. There's also side pocket on the side. There's a belt that came with the backpack that it's not in here, and there's also some straps to put a tripod in this part of the backpack if needed. I like it in general because in the big design there was no much pocket beside the main compartment, and the backpack feels quite solid. I will put this for a second. In the top, this is magnetic, so it folds, and then I put the lock again, take it off. There's an extra zipper if it's needed here. On the back, well, in this case I already installed a camera clip. There's this middle divider. There's a handle for the side. This part opens, so basically it's easy to put it in the handle of a suitcase, for example, when traveling. And here is the computer pocket, and doesn't open fully, but it's comfortable enough. So just as a quick test, I have an iPad 12.9 inches, the iPad Pro, so you can put it easily, and then I will put a computer. So this is the MacBook Pro 16-inch. Just slides very easily, and so it's easy to take out too. He was very adamant that they designed this backpack thinking on the MacBook Pro 16-inch. So this as easy I would not be able to do it in the big design backpack. So overall, the backpack feels very solid, has tons of pockets. Having side pockets is great for accessing the camera easily, and it's for both sides. Having this also water bottle pouches that can expand, so you can also put a compact tripod like the Ulanzi travel tripod or the big design one. They're quite popular. Yeah, so then it's about opening the backpack and starting to connect the dividers. I haven't had a backpack before that I had dividers, so I'm not that good to use them just yet. So in here I got a camera. That is not my camera since I'm filming with it, but it's a big DSLR camera. So can put it in here at the bottom, so it's available in the side pocket. Then I will do this. I might speed up this footage since you don't need to wait for me to put every single element in the backpack. It's a bit difficult. Yeah, so I can set it there. Now I got the technique. So the camera is well and snug there. I have a space for more things. This is a Tamron 17 to 70 lens for my Sony camera. It can go vertical in here. I think it's tall enough. The backpack. Let's try some here. So then I will put like a divider around here, right? I can have one of the small dividers too between the lens and the, pick up the lens, put this one inside. I will probably adjust this more geared towards the lens itself. I will put some AirPods Max, and at least for now, as like a small test, this is enough. Let's not forget the mic. Yeah, so this backpack is quite comfortable. Just a bit in the locking system here. It's gonna go figure with the mic. I'll cut that part of the sound. Yeah, it's quite comfortable. I can open, and then the camera is available to take out. So good, put it back in. It's very snug, as it should be, and close. Yeah. I'm ready to go. I think my first impression is that this backpack really is an improvement over what I had with the Big Design one. I am curious to do trips to Oslo that I tend to do, where I take my camera, computer, always some technical gear. So I think it's big enough, but not excessively big. So I can carry a good deal of gear, and also because I can fully open the top part and then I can distribute the dividers, and there are many. So I think that I'm quite pleased with this backpack. As I said, since there has not been that much content on this backpack on YouTube so far, I felt it was worth doing my first impressions review. So I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.